This is FM Update Show and my name is Felix Mwanda. Today allow me to dive into one of the stories that is currently arising in the country. And in regards to that, let me tell you, once you are a king, or let me say an emperor of a certain kingdom, before you exit your seat, you have to prepare your heir to have the attributes of becoming the leader that you want them to become. It's the same thing that happens in our Kenyan politics. We have seen it with the late and former president Jomo Kenyatta preparing his son Uhuru Kenyatta and leaving also the said job to the then president Daniel Toriti Arap Moi. Also Moi prepared his son Gideon Moi to come and become the heir of Kenyan political arena. Apart from Moi, we also saw Jaramogi Oginga Odinga prepare Raila Odinga for what may come in the political scene. Now, when it comes to Raila Odinga being the oldest politician that we have in the country right now, we all had a certain expectation in regards to his son, Raila Odinga Jr. Now, Kenyans have raised a lot of speculations as Raila's son, Raila Odinga Jr. is currently missing in action. Long considered his father's heir apparent, Raila Odinga Jr.'s recent actions have sparked speculations on whether he is harboring political ambitions. For the man who until recently was very active in politics, the ODM party leader Raila Odinga's son, who is a low political profile, left many guessing on his exact political game plan going forward. In the run-up to the 2022 general election, Raila Jr. was very instrumental in his father's presidential campaigns. The 44-year-old was literally everywhere as he pitched for the former Prime Minister's election as Kenya's president in his fifth stab at the presidency, even after the August 9, 2022 poll which saw the then Deputy President William RUTO pull a shock win to become Kenya's fifth president. Raila Jr. remained very vocal in the political arena. But over the last few months, he has taken a back seat in his father's political life. His youngest sister Winnie Odinga has been very vocal and influential in ODM and opposition politics in general. Now serving as a member of the East African Legislative Assembly, EALA, Winnie Odinga is rumored to be her father's preferred choice of a successor in the Nyanza region politics. As for Junior, the former Prime Minister's only son, after the death of his first brother Fidel Castro, his silence is so loud that it has not gone unnoticed. For the man who was always ready to take on anyone who stepped on his father's feet, his low political profile has shocked many. Raila Jr. is said to have retreated to managing his family's multi-billion business empire. Could it be that he is quietly assembling his political machinery to launch his own political career in 2027, or decide to quit politics after his father's disappointing defeat in 2022? Or might Raila Odinga Jr. be considering to make a move against his father, as his father did on Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, before Jaramogi laid a curse on Raila Odinga that he will never become the president of the Republic of Kenya? My name is Felix Mwanda and this is the FM show where we get to see on the current happenings in the political arena. Go ahead and subscribe.